Hi guys, I'm headed to Central Park right now because we are in our first blizzard in 7 years. And it truly is insane out here. So of course, every time it snows, I try to go to Central Park because it's just, there's nowhere like it in the snow. And I'm going to bring you guys with me. This is my excuse. Oh, it's like falling from the trees. This is my excuse to finally kick off my YouTube vlogs because there's honestly nothing better than Central Park after fresh snow. So I'm gonna pick up a coffee and then head over there. Okay, I made it off the subway. I'm on the Upper East Side now. Snow is definitely hitting me in the face, but it looks really pretty. The streets are actually way more plowed than I thought they would be. I'm going to walk past one of the cutest coffee shops up here. It doesn't have the best coffee, but it's just such a picturesque street. I want to see it in the snow, so let's go see how it looks. Okay, that was absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go see if Ross Coffee is open because they're one of my favorite coffees on the Upper East Side. So it is very touristy and very cliche, but they make good coffee. So we'll see if they're open. Okay, my phone was gonna die, so I had to rush home to get on the subway to use my Apple Pay before it died. But the park was so pretty. Everyone was out. I was pretty surprised actually. They were like sledding, building snowmen. It was so cute. The snow melted pretty quickly actually, but it was still super pretty, even when the trees weren't super covered with snow. But all the coffee shops were closed, which is crazy. But I ended up just coming home and I'm gonna take a hot shower and make some dinner and just chill tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and also I have a bunch of exciting travel vlogs coming up, so make sure to subscribe and let me know what you guys thought of this video if you have any other vlogs that you want to see.